What's holding it then?
Just
I think got catching on the fans. Back of the fans
I think it's all bent that way.
roll
The
bar.
fans are on. Yeah, it's exactly what it's doing.
Well, the wiring disconnected.
That end.
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah, good shout.
Yeah.
That's it.
Right.
Right. Gone back somehow.
Down.
It might have come down one side at a time.
Right, I'll pull this way, Pete, and you can...
What, my way or your way?
I'll pull this out, and then
Right,
you push
okay,
it this way.
yeah. Yeah, mine out.
There you go.
You set this side. On your fingers.
Now push it on that bottom bracket of the fan. That's it. Yeah. Alright? Yeah.
Man the hose.
Right, that's gonna just
Right, do you want...
bring it over this way as far as we
Yeah,
can.
hang on.
Right, so we can try and get this thing off here. Right. I have a horrible feeling.
Have we not got any normal spanners?
Yeah.
What is it? Do you think? What size?
No, I need two, don't you?
You've got to keep that on the side.
Got to get one on here.
We need like a 22 and a...
22 and a 20, I think it is.
Yeah.
See what I got? Oh, fuck. Got wet arse now.
See, this is what's different in here, when this matting's been used.
Yeah.
It's taken a different shape, hasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What have we got now, Carl?
Let's see a picture of that.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually what's going on.
Yeah.
You want to send one?
Yeah. Let's fix it at the front. It gets raised out down much better just
Yeah, this condenser looks alright really, doesn't it?
Hang on.
No, that's just pushing that down there.
Is it?
Yeah. But it won't be the end of the world.
Otherwise, try can we tap like a 7mm spanner onto it?
Yeah, have you got one?
Yeah.
7mm here.
Billy bollocks.
Hang on, Mike. Get a bit man. Try and sort of. Not getting no leverage by doing that, are we? Hang on. Can you get your hacksaw blade out and run it straight down the middle
Down
there?
there. Otherwise, I've got a blade, but I don't
Got a
know
blade?
what the blade is, mate.
Can't get the hacksaw in, right? But if I get the blade out.
Otherwise, I've got to look. Under the bracket and try and get.
Hang on. I'm gonna get out there.
Hang on, just be careful.
It should be alright. Working. Damage assessment, alright?
Right, here we are. Marvellous.
I doubt Jason will reset that radiator anyway.
Sorry to be.
Not in
That was
the
on
turbo.
before.
That's got to be done before, hasn't it, William?
Mad, wouldn't he? Right.
There. Not steering the fault, isn't it?
Shit.
That's
You
all
alright?
I think. Right, it's done.
Nice sharp drill bit he's got there.
Yeah, lovely, isn't it?
That'd be alright. Yeah, it's the tube that's just a cone filtering the thing. Right. So far, so good. Yeah? There's no speed on this thing, so I can't. Punch it or something.
Yeah.
I'll put it in, it's not going to go past there. You've got the bottom radius.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That'll build it, isn't it? We put a Jubilee on that one, don't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
Not close there.
How you going on, Dan?
Yeah, that's alright.
What, you up on the thing then?
Yeah.
Someone seems a lot further up than the other one, somebody else.
Yeah, these brackets are bent.
Yeah. He's getting his bottom bracket, I'll just hold it on properly. Got something to put on it. Should we put these brackets on?
Yeah.
What do you want?
So look underneath. Right in the middle.
It's got to be about there, isn't it? Bring this bracket down then. Yeah. Got the screw, it goes in there, Carl. Get that in.
What are these ones?
Got to get a rubber bit on this as well.
Oh right, hang on a minute. Yeah. I see what's happened here.
Hmm?
Oh, right.
What look for?
It is further back than it should be, isn't it?
Further back where?
The whole thing. It's a bit, yeah.
What's the
But it won't be a problem, but it's just obviously where it's...
In the right place, seems to be further
Where
on
it
this way.
is. Dan, is it in the right place where you are?
Yeah.
You might be able to see better if you look from that, set up and look from the top, you can get that bracket like that with a hole.
I can feel the hole.
Can you pass me one of them radiator brackets, Carl, right by your leg, mate?
Are these ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's the wrong size screw.
Which one are you trying to put in?
The
I
rubber
think
bracket
the
on
radiator
top.
wants to be further your way, Dan.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's too far over this way. It's resting on the back of this thing there, look.
Right.
Back of there.
Go on then. How are you going to get that on up there? It's sort of coming forward, isn't it?
Which one are you, Carl? I need a slash.
Yeah, you're right.
What number?
16. The first one is you.
Right, let me get this in. On so you can get...
Got a washer for that car? No, not that big.
Dan? Right, you're okay there, Mike, aren't you?
Yeah, so pull the bracket over it. The whole, the radiator stuff is there, isn't it? We need to pull it forward a bit there. Catch it on the radiator.
I can change in the radiator a bit so fucking difficult.
No, I think the front end of this car is moved. Things around.
No, what are they? M8s in the top or M6?
Oh, all the bolts, I left them down there. So they're all up by your hand.
Okay, these ones then.
You want to put the one for the bracket in first, don't you?
Have you got any washers for these?
There was one on it.
Bit of bush.
Yeah, look, it's hitting the spare wheel well, look.
Beaver bush. I mean badger bush.
Right, what have we got? Oh, we've got loads of bushes here.
Got one underneath it and one under.
Yeah, I'm just trying to work out which one.
D needs a bigger bush.
Mike?
Nah,
Nowhere near it?
nah, I can't feel it.
It's easier, I think, to look up from the top. Oh, you are.
You got a small.
Need an M6 bolt with a washer on it. Anyone's got one?
Which ones have you got in down the back? Right, I think we should get this back up, just held up by something.
Yeah, and you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
Watch your eyes, Mike, those fans are cutting in a minute.
Yeah.
you put these fans in there.
Yeah, well I put a new radiator, the fans are off another car, but they work and it's just hassle with these. So, well, no, the fans themselves are alright, we had to cut the cowling off to get them out, but the actual fan motors themselves on those should be okay.
Put them back on or just do that?
Just blow
Yeah,
the first
they'll
notch.
probably do someone
I think they'll be on in a minute.
trouble.
Keep them going somehow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not too long now.
No, from watching.
Pretty hot round there, is it?
Polish it.
Yeah.
On sunny days. I do BMX with
Alright,
so
yeah.
I've got a £800 push bike sitting in my garage.
Was it mongoose?
No, it's custom.
Yeah? My son's got mongoose. He had another accident, he took all the bloody brakes and that off.
Yeah, that's brakeless. That's got
I said,
that's
you got no
not
brakes! He said, you don't need them.
Yeah.
No bloody
You don't
brakes.
need them. Mine ain't even got mounts to put them on. I'm going to have to show you.
Yeah. But if I didn't have your brake mobile, I'd have killed myself. I didn't wear a helmet either. They don't have helmets, yeah. Alex said, oh, yeah, you get a helmet. I said, no. I never had one. The bikes don't go any faster, do they?
There we go, that's fine that.
Yeah.
It's for air again, just
Yeah.
strip. What, kilo? Brand new now. Oh, where's that drill? Where's that drill?
Over there.
I've done all these things.
Yeah, but you can't drill into anything.
Fan gas under it. I get some self-tappers.
Right, yeah. Yeah, but there's already holes there.
Yeah, through this bit, but not into the fan gas.
So you mean just right up through?
Yeah, just through it into the fan gas underneath. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even on a BMX.
We'll just draw some self-tappers in.
Yeah.
Just long as you can't get to a grid. Yeah. So,
There's some. You could bodge some of these. Not really ideal, but.
what's that?
What you got self-tapper wise? Some. No. Are they? Actually switch the stuff back. That thing is. But that's broke. And it's not allowing it to roll all the way. Shut off now, Mike, I reckon.
That's it. Shut down, yeah. And
Yeah, I reckon it's to go on water, maybe it's the light. Oh, yeah! We want it to cool itself down, don't we? We want it to cool itself down, don't we? Nice save, nice little one. Yeah. There
there we go, right?
The cooler's not even blue at all.
Come off.
Well, there's nothing there, isn't there?
Yeah?
Hot in there.
Yeah.
Good. You start tapping in and then.
It's going down there, it's going down.
Mind your door, Carl.
Yeah, I know. Are you putting it away then?
Yeah, then Dan can move his time just in case.
Are you putting it away? Well, yeah, just so we get more. Alright.
It doesn't have my arm. It's tight.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah, once he's in, he's got loads of room, hasn't he?
Just the doors.